Yes, that's correct. It's just a hair under 200 psi. This is one of the most powerful carts I have ever had. It'll break your fingers if you don't use that compression release. Let me turn it around here so I can get to the other side. It's very clean inside the exhaust port. This was made in the 70s for some heavy-duty timber cutting. And if you turn it over here, you can see the actual cart case there. I haven't cleaned it, just the way I got it. And we're going to go out here and fire it up, and you'll get to see how this one cuts. Isn't she a beauty?